Look at that moon. That is gorgeous. Morning, y'all. I believe we got Bella or Charlotte here coming in heat. Got Wilbur there going crazy. Morning, little birds. Looks like everybody's here. Y'all survived the hurricane. But yeah, I mean, if y'all don't sell egg layers for next year, yeah. Y'all ladies is never gonna come off of that crate so I can take it out, huh? Daddy'll get it out today, I promise. I've been lazy after work. It's hot. This squash plant is just taking over the yard. The rest of these broilers are getting big.